Hello student, today I will discuss some of the problem from the IMO 2019 set A. So first one, look at in the fast math, select a figure from the option which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. So look at which is properly fitted up. So number 1, B is the answer because in which direction the arrow moves, first find out. The direction is clockwise or anti-clockwise. In this way you can find out the answer. So B is the answer. In number 2, find out the missing character if certain rules is followed either row wise or column wise. So first find out what is E. E mean A B C D E 5 and D A B C D. D is 4. So first find out E and D and then add all the numbers diagonally, horizontally and vertically and the same value coming. So which is the answer come to D. D is the answer. A. So A mean 1 come in the line. Six friend PQRSTU scored different marks in half yearly examination. R scored more than P and U only. A scored less than Q. T did not score the least. T did not score the least. A scored more than R. Who scored the highest mark? So answer 3. C is the answer. Q least the highest mark. Q scored the highest mark. Number 5. Select the correct water image of the following. So which one is the water image of pager? 5A is the answer. So do upside down in a vertical way. In a certain code language, if word is coded as XOSLE, then which will break is coded in that language. So what is the position of the letter WRLD in according to alphabetical order? First find out the code. What is the code between W and X? Then find out the code between R and S. In this way you can find out the code between break and which language? 6. 6A is the answer. Prakrit is 13 rank behind Diksha, who ranked 11th in a class of 38 students. What is the Prakrit length from the bottom? So 7D is the answer. Who is the following exactly embedded in the figure? So 8. 8A is the answer. A is properly embedded. Which of the following Venn diagram represent the relationship among mother, painter and dancer? So mother may be painter or maybe mother having the three qualities. Two qualities, painter and dancer. So which one is correct? You have the idea, I think. 13B is the answer. So mother have all the characteristics. In 14, select the odd one out. So in the square there is a rectangle. In the square there is a square. In the square there is a pentagon. In the square there is a hexagon. So which one is correct? Which one is not correct? Fourteen B. Here first case 3 figure, inside 4 figure there is 3 figure. In second case inside 4 figure there is a 5 figure. Inside 4 figure there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 figure. So inside B there is a square 4 figure inside 4 figure. So it is equalized, both the figure have the equal side. It is not proper. So B is the answer. B is odd one. Which of the following in math number 15, which of the following figure is not symmetrical along the dotted line? So 15 D is the answer. D is not symmetrical. Look at in the rectangle. There is a black dot which is not same on both sides. Which of the following word cannot be formed from the letter of the given word in 12? 12 I think answer is B. B is not made from it. Find the sum of the common prime factor of the 168 and 315. So find out first factor, then common factor CM. Common mean in both the case you can find out. And 16, I think 16 A is the answer. In 17 find out the missing value. So do calculate it. And you can put every value and find out LHS equal to RHS. Then 17 A is the answer. In math number 19, Priya drove from Mumbai to Goa as per the time shown in the clock. For how long did she drive? So find out the time in both the watch and subtract the value. Then you get the answer 19. 19 C is the answer. I will only describe the process. Do calculation with your own. How many of the following letters do not have any line of symmetry? Line of symmetry 24. So 24 B is the answer. So there is two letters which have no line of symmetry. Which are the two letters? R and I think C. Next one, math number 26. Find the value of P plus Q. P plus Q, how can you find out? First find out the number line, what is the value of P and what is the value of Q. And then add them. You can get the answer 26C. C is the answer. Find the number which is 2529 more than the number shown on the abacus. So the first find out the number from the abacus and find out this number. Among these four numbers, which one is more than 2529? So 27, I think. Which one is the answer? A. 27A is the answer. Which of the following square must have the answer rate so that the PQ become the line of symmetry? So 33A is the answer. I must be answered. That means the color must be removed. Vivek took 55 minutes to complete his homework. He finished his homework at 17:45. At what time did he start for his homework? So 17:45 is the train time. Change into normal time hours, 12 hour clock time. And then added 55 minutes with it. And you get the right time, 36. D is the answer. First, 17:45 is the clock time. So, I think 5:45 is a 12 hours time. So, 5:45 plus 55. So, you get the answer, 37. Alka need 3/5 bowls of chopped onion and 2/3 bowls of chopped tomato to make a dish. How much more chopped tomato than the onion did she require? So subtract the value, you can get the answer, 37. B is the answer. Divya reads 225 pages every day except on Sunday and Thursday. How many pages does she read in 9 weeks? So Sunday and Thursday, if I subtract from the week, then 5 days left. So in 9 weeks, there are 5 into 9, 45 days. So 45 multiplied with 225. Then you get the answer, 38. 38B is the answer. So do calculate it, you can get the answer. Mrs. Sharma made 5.4 liter lemonade. Mrs. Goel made thrice as much lemonade as Mrs. Sharma made. How much lemonade did they make altogether? So first 5.4 multiplied by 3, then you get the Mrs. Goel's lemonade, and then now add both of them, you can get the answer, 39. 39B is the answer. Karan has 52,920 balls. He has to pack them in a box, with each box contain 420 balls. Find the number of boxes required to pack all the balls. So 40, divide it and you can get the answer, 40. C is the answer. 41, 13 bags of sugar cost rupees 2535. If each bag contains 5 kg of sugar, then find the cost of 1 kg sugar. So 13 past 2535 divided by 13, then you get the value of 1 bag. 1 bag sugar. So 1 bag contains 5 kg. So 5 kg's value is 5 kg's value is this one, and 1 kg's value, and divide the value matter by 5. You can get the answer, 41. 41C is the answer. First 13 divides 2535, you get a value. This is the money you needed for 5 kg sugar. So how can you find out 1 kg sugar? Divide the matter by 5, you can get the answer. A garden plant, this one, trees on 3 successive months. How many trees did he plant in 3 months? Add all of them and you can get the answer. 42. 42A is the answer. If 17 buckets can be filled by pipe in 8 hole 1 by 2 minutes, then how many minutes will be taken by the pipe to fill 45 such buckets? So 8 hole 1 by 2 minutes needed for 17 buckets. 1 minute needed for how many buckets? So 45 such buckets need. So 45 buckets needed for, do the calculation in unitary method, you can get the answer. 43. 43B is the answer. Do it according to unitary method. On Tamanna's birthday, her mother gave 3/10 of a cake to each of her 2 neighbors and 1/10 of the cake to each of her 2 friends. What fraction of the cake is left with her? 3/10 of cake to each of 2 neighbors. So total value get 2 into 3/10. So something is find out, and 1/10 of the cake to each 2 friends. So 2 friends total get 2 into 1/10. Now find out this 2 fraction and what fraction of cake is left with her. So from 1 you subtract this value, 45. 45 answer C. The given math number 50, the given figure is made up of square and a triangle and a rectangle togetherly. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/4 of the length of the edge of the square. If the sum of the area of the square and the rectangle is 732, then find out the perimeter of the figure. First find out the side of square all, and then find out the side of the pencil, because pencil is a rectangle there and there is a triangle there. So find all the sides and add all the sides, because you know that in case of perimeter you add all the sides and you can get the answer 50. 50D is the answer. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/4 the length of the edge of the square. So how can you find out the breadth? So edge of the square is 124. So 24 into 1 by 4. So 6. 6 is the breadth of rectangle. So two sides of rectangle is equal. So you find out this one is 6, 6. Now what is the length, breadth of the rectangle? You can easily find out. And add all the sides one by one. So this is the answer.